The Output Mode feature lets you choose between the extension set in the Output panel, or the extension defined by a File Output node in the Compositor. Let's begin with a quick render to check the result in the Export folder. The image is saved in .png format, based on the current file format setting. Now, let's set up for the File Output node. Open the Compositor. Add a File Output node and set its format to JPEG. Duplicate it twice, set one to PNG, and the other to OpenEXR. Connect each of these nodes to the Render Layers node. Then, enable the Output Mode button. Launch the render. Once it's done, open the Export folder. You'll find 3 images, each with a different extension: .exr, .jpeg, and .png. That's it for the Output Mode feature. Thanks for watching.